Raining. Raining. Sausage. Sausage. Cái này. OnlyFan. OnlyFan. Oh. You tell me later?
Yep.
You should shave your head. You will look beautiful.
Good thanks. But now it's salon is cold. Anywhere is cold. Have to wait.
Raining, raining.
Em he old man. Heading a little bit.
He old?
Yeah, he old. He's like my uncle. Or my
You know, I'm
grandpa.
10 years older than him.
Really?
More than 10 years older than
Really?
him.
How old are you?
48.
I know 40. Like 30 something.
How old are you? Mario.
36.
But your brain look like
18 I think.
3 years old.
Do you think he's sexy?
Huh? You see or not? I don't see it. How's it going? Get my car, huh? Oh, don't do that, huh?
Quay cả đạp không được.
Không sao.
Mario, sexy man.
Sexy man? OnlyFan. You know OnlyFan? What do you think if he make OnlyFan?
I think no have some fan for him. Not have follower. Who gonna pay money for the follow you on the OnlyFans, huh?
Are you gonna pay? No. Why? He's really sexy. Chat. It's raining, chat.
Alright, why you make face like this? Money. You need to go home, money. I told you don't say this. Huh?
Em ăn tăng.
Yeah, I give you already. One more.
Ủa,
Now we don't eat it.
Detta måste väl vara det värsta resandet hittills.
No.
Det sker också.
Killer.
yeah.
Det sker
I'm
också.
so fucking hate that.
You hate it?
Jag vet inte
I hear
varför
that.
det jävla oväder när det var sådär.
You like Mario?
Jag har sett det här när det är
Very big. You can do long time.
Yeah, he have a big pan.
Who said that?
I might have to run. Shit. Oh. I might have to run home, chat.
You will take some music. If you look ready.
Just had a barbecue back.
You go, boss.
Your birthday?
Huh?
Your birthday?
Yes.
I buy you a beer?
No, take some beef. Yeah. Good. Take some beef.
You had a good stream today, man. Are you still on?
Yeah, still on.
Okay, we'll raid you when we finish. We get a stream late?
Like before 9, before 9. Yeah.
Hell, come on.
You're not happy with the song?
You bring out your pillow, man. Just bring it out.
Otherwise it won't be very easy. I guess the sound is so bad on YouTube. I dream to go to the moon again. Go coffee.
You say American fake everything. It's really bad that you
Happy birthday, brother.
Happy birthday.
They can.
No. Damn it, Robert.
Jag är med ekonomiskt accepterar det, men jag vill inte bli så.
Hola, Mario.
So, what is your job?
Actually, IP is like I work in like a, you know Mama Song. It's like a manager of the bar, but it's now the bar is full. I have to change the my job.
What if I want to start OnlyFans? What would I do?
Sexy picture.
Sexy picture? Do you think I'm sexy?
I don't know. Let's see.
Money. You tie, you don't know. Show 1,000, then she say you sexy. Give 1,000 pounds. You tell him he's sexy man.
Yeah, I will tell him it's like, wow, you're so sexy. Oh, come on, man.
She can really do that. She can do anything.
Mario, take the fucking phone.
Bob Marley again? Bob Marley. You don't like Bob Marley?
No,
Why you don't? Why not?
because I'm not smoking.
Why you don't have to be a smoker?
He'll burn the body. And then he went through like, he was arrested, I don't know, and he spent, like half his life in jail. It's just like a crazy story, eh? But he killed a lot of people for nothing, eh? Like, oh, so where did he do that?
Pattaya or what?
Yeah, he did, I think he did 4 or 5 there, yeah. But like, he would just because he needed something like, he needed a really sweet,
What song is
sounding
this?
kind of guy, really sophisticated guy.
Bob Marley?
Go up to his apartment and then he makes you sick or something. Oh,
Bob Marley
let me
look
sort it out.
different.
I'll put you in my private care because you look pretty rich. And you're trying to finish a deal with him. You say, look, you're valuable to me. I'm going to look after my
Do you like to
private
drink?
residence. And then he just like fucking
Of
killed
course.
him and like it ran for
Talk, talk to them.
years. It's like he was in this
Because I
area
can't see nothing.
here, Karachi, Nepal, France.
Nice guy.
I never heard of this guy. Eh? It's like, he got his name in Pattaya.
What? How many beer you have? How many beer you have?
Another one? Another one?
3 beer already.
3 beer already?
We started the note.
Make food for sleep. It's like a drink beer. It's like a sleep
Sleeping.
pill. Yeah.
I know. I lose little bit kilo, and then number one. When I lose 10 kilo, I cannot stay here for money.
You need a drink to be with Mario.
That could be done too.
What is this? Look, the way he dresses, he's so awesome. You don't like him?
Like doing this on debt.
Why?
We're borrowing money. Like have a lease agreement.
He's too handsome for me.
He too handsome?
Yeah.
And I have very big dick.
I miss all the bar.
Yes. I miss walking around too.
Right now you can walk but nothing. Yeah.
For what? For close to everything. You cannot sit down somewhere.
How long have you been in Pattaya,
I
Thailand?
don't know.
Forever?
It's quite easy, right now it's quite easy.
What about you? How long have you been here?
Yeah.
20 years already.
20 years?
Yeah, because I have the father, he's from England. I moved to Silacha, then back to here when I'm 3 years old.
Look like you are 18.
No, I'm 23 already.
23?
Rosie from?
And for me, it's a learning style.
What's going on there on the TV?
You see opportunity. No, he was on the
Big supplier.
not big supplier. He ends up in jail. For him was a lot of money.
Mario's probably done it. People like read on the internet, like probably got liquidate on it.
Can I have no candy?
Ice, baby, ice. Get some ice. I don't want to drink right now. I have to wake up early tomorrow, like morning.
One beer? You don't like beer, right?
How you doing?
Yeah, good. I just saw Kat got her tattoo. Have you seen it?
Finished?
It's pretty impulsive. I mean, it looks good, but like it wasn't a little one. She just decided to do that this morning. I'm really shocked. I was like, whoa.
This morning she decided to do that.
Dude, she would have just walked in the shop and fixed it. It's fuck. I mean, she's only young. She's only 20. Like, she's her your age. How old are you?
Can you guess how old I am?
You're 18. Bro, they just told me they were going streaming. They wanted me to set stuff up, so I set it up. And I was like, oh, what the fuck? You're gonna get okay, I put the tattoos. I thought they were just gonna get little like, it looks fantastic. It looks great. I love it. But holy crap, man.
They are still there, I think. You think?
This is a growing
Look like they're just chilling.
It's already, there's actually a group of us who don't.
Is this a flower?
I gotta
What
make
is
food
this?
in here. It's me and my mom.
You and your mom?
Yep. Còn lợn rất here and here and here and here.
Okay.
Then in here too. I like the tattoo, but small one, but not big one.
You don't like big tattoo?
Yeah, I think it's like when I finish here, I'm gonna stop make it. For the lady, that one arm is snap and sexy.
Not too big, right, for the lady?
Yeah, but I love it. You gotta look the detail. It's not easy.
Professional. It's like a Thai, like a protection.
Finish. Is it finished?
Yes. It's like a
You
video.
have to do it again, I think, to really.
Yeah.
Make it more clear, right?
This I did in Yongqiang.
I want to create a bit chocolate with bitter. You know, not the traditional.
Well, it looks so good.
The traditional back in Sweden.
I still look like making.
It looks so fresh.
Why you make? In
I
Thailand?
guess so. Something like in 2000.
This is Tigo, my name, my family name.
Yeah, it was.
This I make in Sweden.
It was NASDAQ Nordic. It's like custodial and everything.
Come on, Mario.
Oh! You like it? Why? You don't like his tattoo on his ass? How come? Why? It looks sexy.
I think like so fucking crazy.
Crazy? Would you get that tattoo on your ass?
No, I make in here.
What about on your face?
They don't exist. They don't exist.
That tattoo on your face?
No way.
So you get a matching tattoo, ass and face.
No way. Come on.
Maybe take a picture of his ass. Show how amazing it is. Your mom's gonna be okay.
You make your money in Bitcoin.
When I asked my mom when I make the first tattoo, right? I asked her, Mom, can I make a tattoo? She say yes, whatever, but not in here. And then I say okay, and then later I make in here first, the first one in here. She told me, make everywhere what I want, and I say, okay, Mom, I'm gonna get that. I gotta get that. Yeah,
Your
but
mom
for
gonna
me,
be angry.
no, because you have to. How comes for be angry? Come on. Like for me, it's like one arm is not for lady. I think it's enough. But I love my tattoo.
You must be a fucking faggot, right? And that's your job. Don't be a faggot. Now,
Put out, there's no food throw away. That's too much, but there's no food throw away. Food, done, you know. Put outside, not too clean. Sometimes no food, be careful.
some fucking
Then all throw away,
some,
but no less.
but it's
Why?
walking the Barclays back.
Yeah.
Just a white couple
I can't go anywhere. It's so dark.
books. All it takes is like a disagreement, exchange. We can trade on exchange, right? Using like paper
But
press.
just Google the phone number. It's so simple. You just Google the phone number. You go and say, okay, $1 million. The kids might have the book in 3 years.
Do you like rain?
The only advice I
No,
give you is
I
don't
hate it.
ever give it
Why you hate rain?
Doesn't matter what
I cannot go
exchange
anywhere.
Oh, you know I like Leo. You have for lady?
Oh, shit, brother.
Huh? No
You don't
problem.
want it?
Huh?
You don't want it?
No, I still have. I'm slowly drinking.
Oh, okay, you don't like it, eh?
Huh?
You don't like it?
No, I prefer Leo, but it's okay, I can drink. För att se tjejer.
Are they over there?
Det är bara riktat till... Alltså det är många till.
Why, only fan?
ไม่ได้ไปกี่วันวันเดียว
De som finns med
That's the same thing, right?
och kolla på film. Jag säger igen.
ที่กินอยู่เหรอ
Titta jag.
ที่ไหนขอโทษหนึ่งนะคะ
เอาไปแล้วเอาไปแล้ว
ขอบคุณนะคะ A lot of money.
If I was a chick, I'd 100% have an OnlyFans. I do have an OnlyFans, guys. You can get my OnlyFans at
Wank up if you take this one. Sitting in front of the computer, wank because one girl stripping or showing the boobs. Stupid guys, you're so fucking stupid, desperate, lonely.
I'm not as harsh as you against the men.
Sorry.
I think it's a symptom. It's a symptom. Like there's a lot of guys in the West in a relationship, aren't in a relationship, and they're not happy. Whatever situation they're in, they're not happy. They're looking for something else, and that's normal. Every guy goes on holiday. It happens. People, cheat in relationships and stuff like that. When it gets to that level, it's a symptom of there is some underlying issue with how society is set up that men aren't satisfied on a large scale. It's not a small thing, and it's not because they're looking for. If they wanted porn, they can get porn, right? That's always been around since I was I think 10, 11, something like that. Like porn was around, but now it's developed into something where I think people want like a kind of a connection with the ladies who do the explicit content. I don't know. I think being in the West, it's a lonely place, and it's not the fault of anyone, other than it's just a circumstance, right? I mean, we all look at porn, right? Everyone's looked at porn at some point in their life. I fucking look at porn.
I pay $100 to see a boob.
It feels like the fall of Rome, man. It feels like we're in that kind of state where like, I'll be happy to be proven wrong on this. But it feels like there's so much opportunity now. It's so accessible, right? If you've got your wife, you're happy. Let's say you're sat in a cottage on top of a hill, you're a sheep farmer or something, and you've got an internet access. You've got access to all of these.
Crazy stuff. Yeah, I know what you mean.
If the content is fun, that's different, I think. I mean, there is a time limit on being cute and sexy and attractive. And if you put all your eggs in that basket, I'm not sure if it's the best career angle to take. I don't think it has longevity. You're better off finding a guy if you're a female. What the fuck do I know? I know shit. I'm just looking around thinking, okay, this is a big change. I got
I'm the
OnlyFans.
manager. It's like I cannot find
Boring little dick.
The man is like
69.
some guy is good, some guy is bad, some guy is so
Okay, I
bad.
follow you.
It's like,
I follow you.
Check it out.
I don't know.
Pause. Bye bye.
In my room and give it a trip. Room, food, drinks.
Yes.
It's a deal. It's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. Yeah. It's a no-brainer.
Okay, see you later.
Actually, if